Well, it's a truly beautiful place, man. What a hike to get back here, though. 4 hours. God, it was so hard. Steve and Gary meditating. And then the rest. Very nice. How's it going, Steve? I love it out here. It is beautiful. You're doing a video for Prosperity, Steve. All right. I'll send it to our group text we have, and then Jasmine can get them to you guys.